Hello everyone, Miss Rita here. If you are new here on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Children, today's in this video, I am going to teach you SSC board linear equation in two variable question number 4 which can come for the 4 marks. Children, let's start. Question number 1 is given. Solve the following equation by graphical method. X minus y equal to 1, 2x plus y equal to 8. Now children, the two equations are given. So first one equation is given, x minus y equal to 1. So minus y will go to the right side, become plus y. With the help of this equation, we'll find out the value of other coordinate. Now if you take the value of y equal to 1, so what we will get? 1 plus y means 1 plus 1 is 2. If y value is 1, then x value will be 2. Now put y equal to 0. Our equation is x equal to 1 plus y. Y value we have taken 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. It means y, if we are taking y value 0, then x value will be 1. Now third, we are taking y equal to 2. So our equation is x equal to 1 plus y. So y value what we have taken? 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. It means x equal to 3. The second equation is given. What it is given, student? 2x plus y equal to 8. Now with the help of this, 2x will go to the right side, become minus 2x. So student, now put x value equal to 1. So here we'll take 8 minus 2 into 1. Because x value you have taken 1. 2 1 is 2. 8 minus 2 is minus plus 6. Now the second one we are taking x equal to 0. So y equal to 8 minus 2 into 0. Because y x value we are taken 0. 2 0 is 0. So y value will be 8. So student, now the third one we are taking what? X equal to 2. You can take any value between minus 0 to 0 to between 1 minus 5 to plus 5. Leave it. Put x equal to 2, y equal to 8 minus 2 into 2. 2 2 is 4. 8 minus 4 we get 4. Question number 1, we got the coordinate from the two equation. With the help of this, we will make the graph. Two line we can draw, collinear line we can draw with the given coordinate. Okay. Now question number 2 is given. Using the determinant given below, form two linear equation and solve them. The equation is given. D is given 5 to 7 minus 3. dy is given 5 to 4 minus 10. Solution from the given determinant. A1 value is 5, A2 value is 2, value is 7, B2 value is minus 3, C1 value is 4 and C2 value is minus 10. Now children, with the help of these values, we will make the equation. To form an equation, we need A1x plus B1y equal to C1 and B2x plus B2y equal to C2. Now substituting the value of given A1, B1 and C1, we get the equation 5x plus 7y equal to 4. By substituting the value of A2, B2 and C2, we get the equation 2x minus 3y equal to minus 10. This is our equation number 1 and 2. After forming the equation, it is told to us to solve them. If we see the first equation, we have the 7y, and the second equation we have the minus 3y. Now we will multiply the first equation by 3 and second equation by 7. So we will get two new equation. So 3 5 is 15, 3 7 is 21, 3 4 is 12. Same way second equation we will multiply by 7. 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 10 is 70. Now adding the equation, third and fourth, we get what? 29x equal to minus 58. Therefore x equal to minus 58 divided by 29. 29 1 is 29, 29 2 is 58. Therefore x value we got minus 2. Now children, now substituting the value of x minus 2 in equation number 1. What the equation number 1 we have? 5x plus 7y equal to 4. So x value we have minus 2. 5 into minus 2 plus 7y equal to 4. 5 2 is 10 minus 10 plus 7y equal to 4. Now minus 10 will go to the right side, become plus 10. Therefore 7y equal to 4 plus 10, here we get 14. Therefore y equal to 14 divided by 7, we get what? 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. Therefore y equal to 2. So x value is minus 2 and y value is 2 is the solution of the equation. Understood? Now the third one is given, student. From an AP, T17 is given 54 and T9 is given 30. Find the first term and the common difference, that is D. With the help of 17 term and 19 term, we will form the equation, two equation with the two variable. Tn formula is a plus n minus 1, d is the formula. Now T17 is given, T17 equal to a plus n value is what? 17 minus 1 d. T17 value is 54 equal to a plus 16d. 17 minus 1 is 16d. That is the equation number 1. Same way we will do for the T9 also. 9 minus 1 is 8d. So here we form the second equation. Here we are using two variable to form an equation. Therefore this question is asked in the chapter number 1, linear equation in two variable. Now student, subtracting the equation 2 and 1, we get, now sign will change, plus a and minus a will cut. 54 minus 30 we get 24 equal to 60 minus 8 we get 8d. Therefore d equal to 24 divided by 8. 8 1 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. So here common difference what we got? 3. Now substitute the value of d in the equation number 1. What is equation number 1 we have, student? 54 equal to a plus 16d. Now we will substitute the value of d is 3. 16 3 is 48. Now 48 will go to the left side, become minus. 54 minus 48, here we get a value is 6. It means the first term is 6 and the common difference is 3. Understood? Okay. Now question number 4. A train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train would have speed 6 km per hour faster, it would have taken 4 hours less than the scheduled time. And if the train was slower by 6 km per hour, it would have taken 6 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the length of the journey. Length of the journey means we have to find the distance of the journey. Let the actual speed of the train be x km per hour and the actual time taken by the train is y hours. As we know, the formula of distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Speed we have taken x and time we have taken y. Means distance equal to x multiplied by y. As per the first condition, speed is given 6 km per hour faster. Faster means x plus 6. And time what is given? 4 hours less than the scheduled time. Less, it means we have taken less 4 hours, means y minus 4. Therefore distance covered equal to x plus 6 y minus 4. We will solve these sums, we will get the equation. Now in the first term x, we have to take x plus 6 y minus 4. So distance covered we have to find, that is xy equal to x then whole bracket y minus 4. In the first term plus 6 and y minus 4. We will solve this bracket. Xy equal to x into y, xy, x into minus 4, minus 4x. 6 into y, 6y, 6 into 4 is minus 24. Now xy will cut. What is left? Minus 4x plus 6y minus 24 will divide by 2. We get minus 2x plus 3y minus 12. We will form in the equation minus 12. Will be then same place, minus 2x plus 3y will go to the left side. The sign will be changed. Now the second condition it is given. If the train was slower means that speed will be minus x minus 6 and the time is taken 6 hours more, means y plus 6. Same way distance covered equal to x minus 6 and y plus 6. Disturbed covered is x plus x into y. We'll solve this bracket. We get xy equal to xy plus 6x minus 6y minus 36. Xy will cut. Dividing by 6 we get x minus y equal to minus 36 is divided by 6 we get 6. Minus 6 will go to the right side, become plus 6. So here we form second equation. Now student, multiplying equation 2 by 2. So second equation we have x minus y equal to 6, will multiply by 2. What we get? 2x minus 2y equal to 12. That is our equation number 3. Now children, subtracting the equation 1 and 3, we get 2x will cut. From 3 minus 2 we get minus y equal to 12. Both the 12 is negative, so minus 24. Minus minus cut, y equal to 24. We substitute the value of y equal to 24 in equation 2. What is equation number 2? We have x minus y equal to 6. We'll substitute the value of y is 24. Now minus 24 will go to the right side, become plus 24. Therefore x equal to 30. Distance covered we have to find. What the formula we have to take? X into y means speed multiplied by time. The speed is 30 km per hour and time is 24. 30 multiplied by 24 we get 720 km. Question number 5. 0.4x plus 0.3y equal to 1.7 is the equation number 1. 0.7x minus 0.2y equal to 0.8 is the equation number 2. Now we will solve this bracket. So we will solve this equation. In the first equation we have 0.3y and the second equation we have 0.2y. So we will interchange. First equation we will multiply by 2 and second equation we will multiply by 3. So 0.4 multiplied by 2 is 0.8. 0.3 multiplied by 2 will come 0.6. 1.7 multiplied by 2 will get 3.4. That is our equation number 3. Same way the equation number 2 will multiply by 3. 3 7 ja 21 means 2.1. 3 2 ja 6, 0.6. 3 8 ja 24 means after one number decimal means 2.4. We adding the third and fourth equation, we get 0.6y and 0.65 will cut. 0.8 plus 2.1 we get 2.9x equal to 3.4 plus 2.8 we get 5.8. X equal to 5.8 divided by 2.9. Now decimal will remove from both the side. Numerator and denominator we get 58 upon 29. 29 1 is 29, 29 2 is 58. It means x value is 2. Same way we will do substituting by x equal to 2 in equation number 1. The equation number 1 we have 0.4x plus 0.3y equal to 1.7. Now 0.4 multiplied by 2 because x value we got 2 plus 0.3y equal to 1.7. 0.4 multiplied by 2 we get 0.8 plus 0.3y equal to 1.7. Now 0.8 will go to the right side, become minus. So 1.7 minus 0.8 we get 0.9. Therefore y equal to 0.9 divided by 0.3. By removing the decimal we get 9 upon 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. 2 and 3 is the solution of the given equation. Now the student, the sixth one is given. The semi-perimeter of a rectangle shaped garden is 36 meter. The length of the garden is 4 meter more than its breadth. Find the length and the breadth of the garden. Let the length of the rectangle garden be x and the breadth be y. As per the first condition, the length of the garden is what? 4 times more than its breadth. It means x equal to y plus 4. We will convert into the equation form. So y will come to the left side, become minus y. X minus y equal to 4 is the equation number 1. As per the second condition, perimeter, semi-perimeter it is given. The perimeter equal to half of perimeter. What the formula for the perimeter we have? 2 length plus breadth. So half y we have taken because it is given semi-perimeter. So semi-perimeter value is given 36 equal to half into 2. Length we have taken x and breadth we have taken y. Now 2 will cut. What is remain? 36 equal to x plus y. We will arrange in the equation form x plus y equal to 36. That is our equation number 2. Adding equation 1 and 2 we get minus y plus y will cut. X is 2x equal to 40. Therefore x equal to 40 divided by 2 we get x value is 20. Substituting this value 20 in the equation number 1. So equation number 1 is x minus y equal to 4. So x value is 20 minus y equal to 4. So 4 will come to the left side become minus 4. Minus y will go to the right side become plus y. So 20 minus 4 we get 16. Therefore y equal to 16. The length and the breadth of a rectangle is 20 centimeter and 16 centimeter. I hope you have understood. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching this video.